All right, girls, it's time for your treats.
Is there food in here?
Yeah. Come here, girls. Come here, get you an apple treat. There you go, Mabel. There you go. Yeah. Whoop, just take the whole thing. Naomi. Come on.
Come here, girl. Come here. Come get the apple. Come here, babies. Come on.
Come on, Naomi. Come on, girl.
That was good, huh? You don't want to bite it? You just want to take the whole thing. We're so ready for you to bring us some babies. Yeah, we're so ready for you. Yeah, come here. Come here. Come here. Hey. You can have it.
Come on, Naomi. Here, let me have an apple. I want to try to see her, let her see me with it. Naomi, come on. Come on. Excuse me.
Will she come in more if you put food in here?
Naomi's weird. They both are, but she's the weirdest of the two. Naomi. Normally normally when I put food in here, they will come in, but sometimes they're still a little bit.
Well, they had some apple out there and sweet potatoes.
Really? There she goes. They had some sweet potatoes, I think, yesterday. There she goes. It's all right.
Okay, babies. Yeah, it's okay.
Go ahead, girl. Eat your apple. Go on. Is that it?
No, I got one.
Oh, one more. I'll give it to Naomi. Naomi. Come on.
How much feed do they get?
I give them a full scoop, half of it in the feeder there, and then half of it next to it, so they can both eat
Have one.
next to it on the floor. Just so they don't have to crowd each other if they want to eat.
Right.
Maybe it's because she's due soon. Why she's acting weird, you know? I wouldn't put it past her.